Ready.
Mode number 6, attention please.
1, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ready, and reach with power. Nice work. Hips now. Big catch. Nice GDs. Big reach.
What? Hey!
Hang now. Reach now.
More
More intensity.
intensity.
Big reach.
Press.
Press now. Good job.
Come on, reach.
Reach now. Here we go.
Good reach.
Reach now. Power now.
Hold the reach. Let him push up.
Hammer now.
Front reach.
Front reach now. Back reach now.
Hey.
Feel the rhythm. Relax and feel it. Big power. Nice work.
More intensity.
More intensity. That's it, GDs. Hips now. Stay big. We're moving. Let's go. Reach now. Big reach. That's it.
Reach now.
Reach now! Power now! Big reach! Feel the rhythm! That's it, Genie! More intensity! Together now! Stay on it! We're moving! Hips now! Let's go! Front reach now! Back reach now! Let's go!
Long and powerful.
Long and powerful!
Body strong.
Big body! Reach now!
More intensity.
More intensity!
Tell me when.
Let it roll.
Here we go!
Stay on it right.
Stay on it!
Front.
Reach front!
Let's take these more pose.
Come on! Power now!
Leg rate.
Hold the reach!
That's it, guys. Huge body.
Big bodies!
D2 help.
Reach now!
D2 help.
Hold the rate, Adam. Roll recovery.
Patience, everyone!
Big body.
Big bodies!